Nothing better than working outside. This bed is new. We put this in last year. One of the things I might do here in addition to the dahlias is maybe I'll try putting some cannas out here as well. This is really cool. This has transitioned from daffodils and now getting into some of the other perennials and into our into the dahlias. Still working on, I think we need some more things to kind of bridge between the daffodils and some of the perennials, kind of from a timing perspective, but we're working on it. We've been adding some things, and so yeah, I think more peonies might have to go into this bed because it's a good handoff from between the dahlias, and then the peonies kind of come after that, and then the irises after that. So peonies and irises, I think, will be good to get into here because that'll be like the early summer flowering, I think. And then the late summer and fall flowering, that's when the dahlias will be in their peak. So yeah, and like I said, we can keep adding some things a bit over time. It's not really practical, I don't think, especially from an effort standpoint, but it can also get expensive to just get a whole whack load of perennials and put them in the bed. Yeah, we could do that, but it's not really the kind of style of gardening I'm going for. I kind of like to do a little bit at a time when I have a chance because it's less overwhelming to me, and I feel like then it's not as much as of a job as it could be. It's more like, oh, I've got some time, I'll come out in the garden and just do a few things, and then It's a good kind of mental break from whatever else I might be doing.